Hi guys, 10 p.m. I'm feeling manic. I'm having a breakdown, so I came to my hair. Hello. This video doesn't have much structure to it, so I thought I'd give you a little breakdown of what's gonna go on. I recently decided to start eating plant-based. My digestive system just kind of hates me, and I just feel like it would probably be the best thing for me. And I've been eating plant-based for like 2 weeks, so not very long, but I've already noticed a difference. Like my skin is better and my stomach doesn't hurt all the time. It's really awesome. I'm gonna take you like grocery shopping with me, and then also show you a few meals that I made throughout the week. It's not every meal that I made all week, but it's just the ones that I thought were worth mentioning. And that's what you signed up for this week. Enjoy! I recently went vegan. I'm just gonna buy every vegetable that the store has. These bananas are 46 cents a pound. Don't think it's 46 cents for the whole bunch, because that's where they get you. I've been gotten before.
Why are you running?
I didn't know that they had grapefruit. They must have just gotten grapefruit. Grapefruit is the only thing that I care about. Shout out to my mom for raising me right. Love you, Bonnie. I don't know how to pick out apples, so I'm only gonna get one. I need strawberries though, tomatoes, pineapple. We got some almonds, and sunflower seeds, except they're called sunflower nuts. What is that? The Palms antioxidant tea. If you need to poop, drink that. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm getting tofu, but I have no idea what I'm gonna do with it. Everything's organic. I don't need organic. I just need vegan, you know? Collard greens, sounds good. Brussels sprouts, you bet your
ass it's a cup.
I'm by milk and I'm triggered. This is frozen solid. Do you hear this? We're getting oat milk. I've never seen this in the state of Michigan. Thank you. Can't believe it's vegan. I can. That's what they say about me. Chobani's rebranding is not the move. I don't even like Silk. I always get the So Delicious coconut milk yogurt, but they don't have any. I'm angry about that. That really just ruined my day. Vegan and gluten-free bagels. Is that a Sophie I see? I ran into a fan and I'm such a mega fan. I know. You're gonna come, but then I passed my and I was like, I'm poor, but okay. You're so healthy. You got Jimmy Dean's breakfast. Well, it's been a wild ride, folks. Good morning. I just woke up at 11 last night. I did not feel good at all, so I don't know. I just need to sleep a lot, I think. It's time to start the day. I found these gluten-free vegan bagels. I haven't had a bagel in so long. For my bagel, I have the strawberry cream cheese. I'm gonna cut up some strawberries. Gonna have a banana with this as well, and some almond milk yogurt. I'm snacking on grapes. It's like lunchtime kinda. So I've got some Brussels sprouts. Love Brussels sprouts. I'm going to saute them. Peels. I'm also going to make a cauliflower. My phone died in the middle of filming that. I made cauliflower, sauteed some peppers. I made gluten-free quinoa and brown rice noodles. Put that all in a bowl with nutritional yeast, vegan butter, and vegan cheese. The yellow stuff is the nutritional yeast. So we've got Brussels sprouts, green peppers, mushrooms, and then cauliflower. And the noodles underneath, and it's freaking delicious. I've been obsessed with making these things. Thai kitchen. We went to a market. It's like the Michigan version of
like a
Whole Foods.
Yeah, but it has like a greenhouse as well.
Yes.
Like half of it's a greenhouse and then half of it's a store. Yeah.
Like grocery store, but then also sells clothing.
Yeah, and in the greenhouse they also have like home goods.
Yeah. So it's just like the best place ever. And I got these veggie rolls that come with peanut sauce and sweet and sour sauce. Mine is, it's 3 different types of sushi. So one of them is crab, and then one of them is shrimp. And a little crunchiness on top too. I was getting kind of nervous because I was editing my video today. It's Friday and I post on Sunday. So I was like, I don't think I have enough. But good news, my brother and his girlfriend are coming over. Jeez, McGee's. Oh my god, I'm crying. I'm sorry, that was a ride. So my brother and his girlfriend are coming over. They are not vegans, okay? But guess what? We're gonna make them a delicious vegan meal. I needed to go to the local market. There's a guy looking at me. And get some groceries. He is staring! Kind of a bust. Sorry, I know that's loud, but it's hotter than Satan's lair outside right now. The plan is to make some vegan grilled cheese. But here's the thing. They don't have any vegan cheese at the market that I just went to. So I guess the vegan cheese is a no-go, but that's fine. I have some shredded vegan cheese at home that I can just use. I just wanted to use sliced, but it's fine. We can work with what we have. One shaky boy. When I say one shaky boy, I mean it, you know? So, recap. Grilled cheese didn't really go how I wanted it to, but it's okay. We're gonna improv. We're gonna put some avocado on that bad boy. You're not even gonna be able to tell that it was shredded. For a side, we're having chickpea pasta. I know what you're thinking, 2 carbs in 1 meal? No, chickpea is gonna be the protein of the meal. Saute up some Brussels and also saute up some mushrooms. I got a peach. I just thought it might add some color to the plate. I feel like I've seen a sauteed peach, if you will, caramelized. I'm not entirely certain. I might be on actual crack. We're just gonna roll with it. So those cooking clips were the last things I filmed. I just didn't feel like getting up in their face with the camera because I don't get to see them very often. My brother wasn't too keen on eating a vegan meal, but they really enjoyed it. I mean, I'm in a family of meat eaters, like kill deer, skin it, and eat it off the bone, you know? But it was a hit. Everyone liked it. It was delicious. I loved it. That's all I have for this week. Next week is gonna be a fun one. Doing a part 2 of the collab I did a few months ago because y'all really liked it, so make sure you come back for that next Sunday. It's really early. I'm really tired. That's all I've got for you. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Have a good day. Bye.